Hi guys, and welcome to day 10 of Vlogmas. In my last video I showed you a bit of a labour intensive way of creating a Christmas stocking. In this video I'm going to show you a much quicker way. Okay, so this is a bit of a lazy way of making a Christmas stocking. You can just go to your fabric store and purchase a panel. Generally there'll be two on a metre of a panel, and it gives you all the instructions on the fabric on how to make them. This one you have to cut out a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and let's get sewing. I also had to make a tab for the top of my stocking to hang it up with. So I'm just going to sew my tab up. With this stocking I'm going to attach my tab on the inside, because on my other stocking I attached it on the outside and I don't think it looks as good. Don't forget to enclose the raw edges along the top of your stocking. Now with right sides together, start stitching down your stocking. Now it's going to be a good idea to keep your pivot key on so it's easier to move around the corners of your stocking. And also have it so your needle is landing in a down position all the time. And here you go. This is the really simple way of making a stocking from a Christmas panel per metre stocking. And what I didn't realise at the start is it gives you 4 different patterns for a right side facing. So your underside is going to be the fabric that you decide to choose from. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. This was much faster than the previous way of making a Christmas stocking, that's for sure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing my next daily dose of Christmas sewing inspiration. Thank you for watching. Bye.